channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install latest version of PyCharm IDE in Windows 11 operating system. So to install PyCharm and to run Python program on your system, first you need to install the Python. So let's first install Python. So open your favorite browser and search for Python. Now you will get the official website python.org. Click on that website. Now in here need to click on downloads. So you will get the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.3. So click on this button to download. It is for Windows operating system. So click on this. So it will start automatically downloading. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install. To install, open it into folder and double click on application. Let's close the previous folders. Now here we have to just add this path to exe. So the Python path will be automatically added to environment variable. So we need to click on this checkbox and then click on install now. So it will start installing. Now we have installed it successfully. Let's close it and let's try to check it is installed or not. For that, open the command prompt and type py and press enter. So it will show the latest version of Python which we have installed. Now to install PyCharm, again open your favorite browser and search for PyCharm. Now you will get the jetbrains.com, the official website for the PyCharm. Click on that website. Now here click on download button. So here you will get the download option. The first one is a professional version and second one is the community edition. So we are going to install it for community edition. If you are installing the professional version, so it will you have to pay for that. So we are going to install the free PyCharm it community version. So click on this download button. So it will start automatically downloading. If it is not started downloading, you can directly click on this link to download. So let's wait till download is complete. So we have downloaded PyCharm successfully. Let's install it. To install this application, double click on that. Let's close all the open files. Now here it will ask you to allow this installation in your system. So click on S button. Now click on continue. So this is the path where your all PyCharm folders will be saved. If you want to change this, you can directly click on browse button and you can change it. I'm keeping it as it is. Then click on next. Now here we have to select some checkbox here. Like first one is if you want to create the desktop shortcut, then click on this checkbox. And if you want to add the environment variable path to your system automatically, so click on this checkbox. So other we are keeping as same. Then click on next. Click on install. So it will start installing. You can see our PyCharm community ID's desktop icon is present here now. So we have installed it successfully. Let's reboot our system once, or you can directly click on manual reboot later. So I'm keeping it manually reboot later. Then click on finish. Click on. Now here it will ask you to accept the agreement. You just need to read this condition and accept it. So let's accept it. So click on this checkbox and click on continue button. So it will open. Now let's skip this import. Now this is our application. From here you can create the new project, or you can open just your existing project from here. Let's try to create one new project. So click on new. Now here you have to give the project name. So I'm giving as first project. Then this is the our Python location. So we have installed Python. It automatically detected. Then click on create. So this is our first project. You can see our project is created successfully. So in this way you can install the latest version of PyCharm in Windows 11 operating system.